I'm Susan. Today I am making a coconut walnut pie. It's a new recipe and my husband and I love coconut pie. And I figured you add walnuts to it, it's gotta be good. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 4 large eggs, 1 1/3 cups of sugar, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 teaspoons of cornmeal, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coconut flavoring, 1 cup of flaked coconut, 1/3 cup of walnuts chopped, and a deep dish pie shell that's not been cooked. You'll want to whisk together your eggs, your sugar, your butter, your buttermilk, your cornmeal, and your coconut flavoring. Now you'll want to stir in your coconut and your walnuts, mix it well, and pour it into your pie crust. And I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your pie is ready to bake, you want to bake it for 10 minutes, and then you'll reduce your oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for an additional 30 minutes. And here it is. It was really good. I hate my sons don't like coconut, but it sure left more pie for my husband and me. This was really good, and my husband kept going on about it. So I hope you'll give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I really appreciate y'all, and y'all take care. And until next time, bye.